Mr. George, I understand you're experiencing pain in your wrist. Can you describe the pain and when it started?
It's a sharp, throbbing pain that started a few days ago. Mihira, it's worse when I try to move my wrist.
Have you experienced any recent injuries or trauma to your wrist?
I don't think so. I can't recall any specific incident.
It's possible the pain is related to overuse or inflammation. I'll examine your wrist and see if I can identify any underlying causes.
I'm also noticing some swelling and redness around the wrist.
That's concerning. Swelling and redness can be signs of inflammation or infection. I'll need to assess the range of motion in your wrist and check for any tenderness or warmth.
I've been trying to rest my wrist, but the pain persists, Mihira.
Rest is important, but we might need to consider other treatment options, such as applying ice or using a wrist splint. I'll also discuss over-the-counter pain relievers with your doctor.
Mihira, I understand that seeing a high fever can be worrying, but please know that it's a very common response when the body is fighting an infection, like a viral illness. Fevers are often the immune system's way of defending itself, and while they can feel uncomfortable, they're usually not dangerous on their own. What's most important right now is keeping a close eye on the temperature to track any changes. I'd recommend checking it every few hours, especially if there are other symptoms like chills or fatigue. Alongside monitoring, staying well hydrated is key, as fevers can lead to fluid loss. Small, frequent sips of water, herbal teas, or oral rehydration solutions can help maintain balance and ease discomfort. Rest is also essential. The body heals best when it's given time to recover. If the fever persists beyond a couple of days, or if other concerning symptoms develop, like difficulty breathing, severe headache, or confusion, we should reevaluate and consider further medical advice. For now, let's focus on comfort measures like light clothing, a cool compress, or over-the-counter fever reducers if appropriate. You're not alone in this. We'll navigate it together step by step. Do you have any questions or concerns?